Hello everybody, welcome in this video. We're going to be talking about Jira Action Automation for Workflows, which is actually one of our workflow apps that you're going to install within your agency, connect to your Jira account and execute actions directly from your workflows. So how do we set it up? Inside your agency, you come down here at the app marketplace. You search for the app, Jira. You go at install and here you select the sub account where you want the tool to be installed. So let's go for sub account. Continue. We come down here and allow and install. You select the plan, whether it's the monthly plan or the yearly, and you confirm, complete installation. You get this message. You copy this custom menu link, you switch back, and you go and create the custom menu link. You come down here at the settings, custom menu links. Remember, you guys create the custom menu link if this is your first time installing one of our apps because you won't have to do it anymore. You come here at the create new, you select an icon for your custom menu link. When you're done, you type a name for your custom menu link. You can decide, for example, to name your custom menu link My Tools. We decided to name our custom menu link Greg Apps. We'll check it later. And here, you paste the link URL that you copied. You scroll down here, you check some preferences. You select the sub account where you want all the tools to be available. You come down here and you select who you can give access to all the information. And when you're done, you make sure you save it here. The next step right now is to switch to your sub account. So we switch to sub account and we go and look for our custom menu link that we create. Remember, I told you we decided to name our custom menu link Greg Apps. So we have here Greg Apps. Let's go on Greg Apps. There you go. We have apps available and connected app. Your app's supposed to be here at apps available. Okay, if it's not connected yet. If you type, for example, Jira, doing this process for the first time, Jira is going to be available here. But let's go to connected apps since it's already connected here. We have Jira. Now the next step for us is to connect Jira to Jira platform. So we go on setup. We have three information required, like to enter your email address that you use to log in Jira, to enter the API token and the domain. How do we get those information? But before we go any further though, you can read here how to get your credentials. Actually, if you click on it, it's going to lead you on some smart cues that are going to guide you how to get all those information. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our Jira platform. Inside Jira, we come up here, profile, manage your account, security. You scroll down here at API tokens. We go on create and manage API tokens. We already have some created, but let's create a new. Let's go on create API token. You can type a name, my cred, for example. We create. And we have the API token here. We copy, we switch back, we type the email address, and now we go and look for the domain. How do we get it? Come up here at more, we go on product settings, and we have the domain here. We switch back, we paste, and we submit. Bingo. Once it's submitted, it means that the tool is already connected to your Jira account, and now you guys are able to execute actions directly from a workflow for your Jira account. Guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all the inquiries. Thank you for watching the video, guys.